Hey guys, it's Ashley. I wanted to take a couple minutes to talk about the cycle bikes. One, what type of clips that we use for our cycle bikes, how to properly set up your ride and set up your bike in order to maximize your ride, and then go over the virtual rides that we offer. So the type of clips that we use SPD clips. Now, all cycle shoes, you can switch your clip. The clip itself looks like this. So the SPD is a small triangle. This is the most common type of clip that most indoor cycling studios use. We do offer shoes for you for free, but if you would like to purchase your own to get a better fit, that's always an option, but you'd want to look for that SPD clip. When you are going to set up your bike to get the most benefit out of your ride, the very first step is to adjust your saddle height. So the saddle, you want it to be right at your hip bone, okay? So you want to find where your hip bone is and then adjust the height accordingly. There are numbers that are on the side. That way once you find your height, you will be able to set it up quickly every time. So I know that I'm at a 4 height, and that's going to hit right at my hip bone. When you're setting that saddle, you want to make sure that this is pushed all the way in. If it's unlocked and loose, the saddle will not drop, but you're going to have some movement here. So you want to make sure that you lock it in all the way. Right, from there, you want to adjust the saddle forward and back. Your starting position is going to be at 0, which those numbers are shown on the top of the bike, okay? When you set up that distance, you want to make sure that your knee is at a 90-degree angle with the hip, and your knee is tracking over your foot throughout the entire ride. Those handlebars need to be at least saddle height or higher. If you are not used to riding, higher is a little bit more comfortable. It takes more tension off of your core, but it's really just whatever's comfortable for you. So once you have your bike set up, you want to get yourself clipped in. To clip in, you're going to want to push forward and push your heel down, and that's going to lock your foot in place for your ride. From there, if you do want to take a virtual class, we do have those available. So the bikes that are upstairs all have the Stages software, which is the same software that we use downstairs for our cycle classes, available for you 24/7. In order to start your ride, you want to tap the screen. You're going to have a couple different options. If you want a class that's being taught to you, you're going to hit select a ride. From there, it gives you a couple options. This coach option is very similar to how we teach Power Cycle downstairs. So this works on intervals of speed, resistance, power, and endurance. And if you choose the beat option, that's going to be very similar to what we offer in Rhythm Ride, where everything is designed to the beat of the music.